I want to teach you how to make cheesy enchiladas and beans and rice in the snap of a finger. Look at that enchilada casserole. Look at that. That's beautiful. Today we are making chicken enchiladas. These are so easy and so delicious. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in 1 can of the cream of chicken soup, 1 can of rotel, and we don't drain it, just put it right in. Kind of stir it around a little bit. Now we need a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Just going to put it right in. Okay, now we need 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Okay. Just going to stir all this around. This is one of the first things. It's not the first thing I ever made for a large crowd, but it is one of the first things, and it was so good I couldn't get over it. I probably was 32, 33. I'm going to take about 1 cup of this mixture and put it in this bowl. So we're taking this 1 cup of the mixture and we're just going to put in 2 cups of chicken, and I just used roasted chicken, and we're going to just kind of cream up this chicken. We want to give that chicken some flavor. Okay, we need a 1/2 cup of the Monterey Jack cheese, or you can use whatever kind. If you want to use cheddar, you can use cheddar, but we are going to use the Monterey Jack. I have some little flour tortillas here. Okay, we're going to spray our casserole dish. We don't want nothing to stick. And we're going to take about a dollop of our mixture, not with the chicken, but just the plain mixture. And we're just going to spread it around in our casserole dish. Just going to spread it. I'm going to spread that around in our casserole dish. Just going to take a spoonful, just kind of wrap it. I'm going to take about another 1/2 cup of cheese and just kind of put it right over the top, just a little bit. We're going to take just a few black olives and put it right over the top. And that is truly optional. Okay, we have our enchiladas. We're going to get this into a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. Guys, you will love this. It is so simple, easy, and not very expensive to make. Okay, guys, we're going to be cutting up a little bit of fresh tomato to put on top of those enchiladas. Just dice this up a little bit, and this tomato was so beautiful. Ooh, that's going to be good. I'm going to cut up just a little bit of green onion, and I did wash these. I'm going to go ahead and cut up a whole couple stalks. I'm going to just put it all in one little bowl. So we have our little garnish ready. Well, that smells good. Okay, guys, there is something that I absolutely love with my chicken enchiladas, and that's beans and rice. And this is I'm in a hurry, okay? I'm staying with my mom, but I'm coming home and shooting videos. My dad is still needing prayers. He is in the hospital, and it's been almost a week now. He is very sick. So I'm staying with my mom. So I wanted to go ahead and get this recipe out, and we're all hungry for something delicious. So we are having the chicken enchiladas, and I'm going to make some beans and rice as a side to go with it. It just completes the meal, okay? And this is so quick and easy, and you're going to love it. Okay, we are going to make some simple and easy beans and rice. I mean, this is so easy. And I want you guys to, I know you're going to love it. So we are going to make this right now. Guys, I have rinsed and drained 1 can of black beans. Rinsed and drained it, and we're going to put it right in our bowl. Okay, so now we're going to put in 3/4 cup of minute rice. We're just going to put it, and this was a half, and then half of this is 3/4. Okay, now we need 1 teaspoon of cumin. Just put it right in. And a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, I don't have a green pepper, but I do have an orange pepper, and that's what we're going to use. I'm going to cut it up into small bite-sized pieces, like you would be making a salad. We're going to put in about a 1/2 cup. Of green pepper, red pepper, whatever kind of pepper you have. Okay, now I have 2 cups of chicken broth, and we're just going to pour it right in. Now we're just going to stir it around. That rest of that tomato, I'm going to dice it up. So about a 1/2 of a tomato, and we want it diced up. And we're going to pop it right in. Look at that enchilada casserole. Look at that. That's beautiful. And can you hear it bubbling? That's a beautiful casserole. But it's not just beautiful, it is delicious. It's one of the first things I learned how to make. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of fresh tomato just right on top. And a little bit of green onion. We got our rice out of the microwave. Look at that. That is beautiful, guys. That's a beautiful rice, and it did not take very long at all. That's why, you know, you can get this meal together in a snap of your fingers, but I can't snap mine right now. Let's eat. I'm going to put a little bit of rice right here on our plate. Right. And then we're going to get us out an enchilada. Oh my goodness. But sour cream, guacamole, whatever you choose on yours, but we're going to dig in. It's already got sour cream in it. Guys, this looks so good. Guys, you'll love it. You'll love it. It's creamy, not dry, comforting, but yet not wintertime. I don't know. It's just absolutely, it's what you go out to eat for. The rice, the beans. You would never know that was cooked in the microwave. Not at all. This is a meal that is very little money, very friendly on the pocketbook, yet you'll feel like you're eating like kings and queens. I say thank you guys for watching, for commenting, for coming and hanging out with me in my kitchen today. The best audience on YouTube. You are YouTube. Without you, there is no YouTube. You thrill my soul with all your kindness and your prayers and your comments about my dad. It's been a rough week. He is very sick, and we're just praying. My mom is very worried. So please just continue to pray that the God gives them doctors guidance and that he can get well and come back home to his family, because we love him very much. So you guys go. Thank you for your comments. You are, like I say, you're the best audience on YouTube. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.